Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll be taking a look at a selection of cases available for the Samsung Galaxy A50. Starting off our lineup, we have the Ringke Fusion X case. A fantastic addition to the A50, this stands up well to any drops, knocks and scratches, keeping your phone in great condition. What I like about this case is how slim it is. It doesn't add unnecessary bulk and fits perfectly in your pocket. The tough bumper offers superb protection, meaning you can drop and bump your phone without causing any damage. I found that once this has been on for a while, you tend to forget it's there. It offers full access to the A50's features, meaning you can use your latest handset just how Samsung intended. The clear back is a really nice touch. Instead of covering up the A50's stunning design, you can make it stand out from the crowd with the Fusion X. Quite possibly one of my favourites, this has a lot to offer to your phone. It's protective, lightweight and lets you enjoy both the design and features of your latest handset. Up next we have the official Samsung Gradation case. Made of a hard plastic shell, this option gives the back and sides of your A50 great protection. With a subtle gradient effect, you can add a touch of style to your latest handset, making it perfect for every social setting. I really like the slim design. It doesn't take anything away from your smartphone experience, which is something I'd expect to see coming from Samsung. I found there are some areas of the phone exposed, and while this may be a little off-putting, I do feel this case will stand up well to drops and knocks. The raised lip does a fantastic job of preventing screen scratches, keeping your display looking like new. When in the hand, this feels very solid. You get an added sense of grip and can also use your phone just how you normally would. An all-round great option, this is sure to protect day to day while making your phone look fantastic wherever you go. Moving on now to the ultra-thin clear case by Elixir. Once on the A50, this is practically invisible, allowing the stunning design to shine through. With a strong and durable anti-slip material, this provides long-lasting protection for your phone, giving peace of mind it's safe from bumps and knocks. The invisible design lets you get the most out of your A50, so charging, turning up your favourite music or snapping a photo or two can be done with ease. I was surprised to see this has slightly raised edges, and while they are pretty small, they still help to prevent screen scratches from damaging the phone. This is not a rugged case, so more harsh drops to the ground could still be an issue. However, if you're looking for light protection from general use, this is the perfect option. Next up we have the Eiger North dual layer protective case. Combining both protection and style, this option may be simplistic, but it's a great addition to the A50. As soon as I put this on the phone, I instantly liked it. I think it's definitely a solid option for anyone wanting good protection with a slim and subtle case. Its lightweight design makes for a comfortable grip, and as it also improves your grip, it also reduces your chances of dropping it. I found the button covers to be incredibly tactile, meaning you can use your phone as though the case isn't there. With a premium and stylish design, your phone can look amazing in every social setting. It handles bumps, drops and knocks very well, keeping your A50 looking like new without taking anything away from your smartphone experience. Finishing up our lineup, we have the official Samsung wallet cover case. The second you hold this, you can tell it's made of premium materials, maintaining the A50's sleek and stylish look. The practical design has storage for cards, which I really like for accessing important cards and train tickets on the go. With an inner plastic bumper, the A50 can be saved from knocks and bumps at all times. I've found you can easily access all of the phone's features with this case, and even take calls with the case closed, thanks to this handy little cutout. Samsung's sleep wake functionality works perfectly with the wallet cover. You open it up and it wakes up the screen, you close it and it sends it back to sleep. I think this is a great feature as it helps to preserve battery life when you're not using the phone. One thing I did find this case was missing is a stand for media viewing. It doesn't affect the case as a whole, but it is something you'd expect to see in a wallet case like this. It would have also been nice to see a clip or magnet at the side. This type of case typically opens when you drop it, so a way to keep it closed at all times would have been a bonus. With that being said, this is still a great addition to the A50. The official nature certainly maintains the premium look and feel, while protecting it from day-to-day use. That's all we have for our look into a selection of cases for the Samsung Galaxy A50. Let us know what you think in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase any of the featured cases for your phone, I'll be leaving links in the description and comments of this video.